New tonight, an update on a recent data breach impacting some patients at Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare. TMH says the cybersecurity incident happened with a health records company they previously used called Cerner. TMH sent out letters to impacted patients in June and then again in December as Cerner revealed what information may have been accessed, including medical records and social security numbers. Those letters offered complimentary credit monitoring and identity protection resources. TMH says the data breach did not impact their current record system or patient care.